Have you ever wondering how to skate better? Welcome to Veymax. Today, we will show you how to deal with any situation on the road.
So here are 4 helpful tips to help you overcome bad roads and obstacles while riding your electric skateboard. Let's get into it. So tip number 1, always pay attention to what's in front of you and what your board is about to run over. Even nice pavement like this, you still want to be fully prepared for what's in front of you, whether it's a car that's about to pull out or an unexpected sewer/manhole cover. If you're not familiar with this particular road, cars can come out, or you can run over a big rock and not expect it. Pay attention to the road and what's in front of you. Since we ride for long distance and long periods of time, we're always gonna hit unexpected roads that we're not too familiar with. Not only do you need to keep a close eye on the road, you also need to be alert for pedestrians. Since they are moving, you have to predict their movements and you have to watch out for them. Of course, safety is first. You need to be fully alert of what's in front of you. They also always have right of the way. Lastly, you don't want to be cutting them off because then you're going to give Eskate a bad name. Excuse me, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. On your left, on your left. On your left, on your left. So don't be messing around with your phone, your camera. You have to be fully alert for what's in front of you and what you're about to ride over. Even try to avoid any kind of water on the ground because there's always a chance that it can short your electronics in your electric skateboard. Okay, tip number 2, de-weighting. De-weighting is very simple yet very effective, and I do it every single day at every speed. Let me show you. So, when you're about to ride over cracks like this, you de-weight your body weight slightly off the board, thus preventing most energy transferring over to your body. Let me show you. Okay, tip number 3, carving/small carves and legs pumping at all times. This will help transfer the energy from side to side, whether it's the board, the deck, the wheels, the trucks, and your knees, to make it more of a pleasant ride for the roads that are really bad that you simply can't avoid. So here are the roads I'm going to demonstrate on. So as you can see, this road isn't great. Lots of cracks, lots of vibrations. Things like this you want to try to avoid, but sometimes you cannot. Let me show you how to ride through this. Now, lastly, most importantly, step number 4 is confidence. Confidence is key. First off, have confidence in your board. Your board can run over a hell of a lot more than what you think. So once you actually practice steps 1, 2, and 3 a lot, then you have the confidence in yourself. Riding is going to be so much better because now you can ride pretty much anywhere you want. Once you develop that confidence, you'll have some steeziness to you and you'll have a hell of a lot of fun. Let me show you.
If you enjoy these kind of contents, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button and stay tuned for more high-quality Eskate teaching like this. Thanks for watching.